It's Monday morning, the end of the weekend, and we are on our way to go see our project on Oak Avenue. Last time we saw it, they had just finished the framing, and we're going to go meet with the contractor just to see where they're at on Monday morning, so we know what to expect for this week. So we're here at Oak Avenue getting our update on a Monday morning, and they've already come so far along. We've got the walls up, we've got framing up. It is moving fast around here. What do you think, project manager?
I think it's great. You know, it always looks large when it's just framed. Once that drywall goes up, everything. This bathroom don't look big at all, does it?
Not anymore.
Now you get it? Right? See where the front porch is?
Yeah, it's gonna have a problem with this California basement entrance.
No.
We got to put in a change order to make that more of a sound
Change
structure.
order, we're gonna make this a metal door, and we're gonna put the frame on the inside so that it closes flush mount. You know what I'm saying? So right now it lays on top. You see that?
Yeah.
So we're going to take that off and we're going to lay it on the inside.
Gotcha.
Where it's flush.
Gotcha.
Maybe it raises up just a little bit.
So it's not a tripping hazard.
And we make it metal so that they can just walk right on top of it.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's nothing else you can do. Nothing else you can do. Wonder if you can put an entrance from inside the house.
I like you said, reinforcing that so that she continues to have it, because she's not going to have the garage for any kind of.
There's nothing down there. There's no purpose for it other than.
Well,
just
which one's
storage.
the less expensive option for her to relocate the water heater and the furnace, or to put a new door on it?
She's gonna get a central AC and heat anyway.
Yeah.
She got attic space.
Attic space.
We can get rid of. We can get rid of everything down there, and maybe give her an access door inside,
so that she can use it for storage.
so she can use it for storage if she wants to, and it's not that much space down there. I would get rid of it. Huh?
It's cheaper to get rid of it than to put a new door and frame on there?
Yes. They don't have a lot of space.
There's not a lot of space. It's a California basement.
But 24 square feet.
Yeah, it's not much at all. Interesting.
We just arrived to the Oak Avenue project. The last time we were here, they were just putting up the framing, and we're gonna go in and see the progress. Tomorrow, they turn off the water here, so we gotta let the tenants know that the water's gonna be off tomorrow. They're turning off the water so that they can get all the plumbing in. So let's take a look and see where we're at.
Nice.
Are we on track? What do you think of where we're at so far?
Huh?
What do you think of where it's at so far? Are we on
Project?
track? Yeah.
Oh, we're ahead of schedule. We are definitely ahead of schedule. The roof's being built right now. Once the framing's done, we're gonna get an inspection. Once the inspector passes the framing, then we sheet the roof. This is flying. We're gonna start the rough electrical next week. We have to order the windows and doors, connect to the main water line. Where we at?